Hello, my name is Althea Samuels. I work with Achēv in the ES4Y employment program. How I met Samantha is she was referred to us in the ES4Y program from Employment Services, which is called EO Services. She was looking for employment, so they thought that would be a good fit for her to be referred to our program. However, being a newcomer, she needed more experience, more understanding about the culture of the industry that she's actually looking to go into. With that being said, we refer her to the program Empower Her, where she was able to get some volunteer hands-on experiences to move on to her future opportunity right now that she's in HR management. It was a pleasure working with her. She was a great candidate at the time to empower her, and we're looking forward for more participants like Samantha, who is innovative, creative, and just want to make something happen for others. Thank you so much, and I wish Samantha all the best in her future goals.
As a newcomer to Canada, while I was excited to start a new chapter in my life, I felt a bit overwhelmed and isolated at times. I faced several challenges such as navigating the job market, as it was different from what I was used to, as well as adapting to cultural differences. This is when I discovered Achēv and the range of services that they offer for newcomers, youth, and other job seekers. What I found most appealing about Achēv was the comprehensive support that they offer, such as job search assistance, training programs, mentorship opportunities, and special youth programs such as the Employability Skills for Youth program, Elevate program, and Empower Her program. I felt like this holistic approach was exactly what I needed to succeed in my job search and integration into Canadian society. The Job Search Assistance Program provided by Achēv through their Employability Skills for Youth program, Elevate, and Empower Her program that I took part in was extremely helpful. They guided me on everything from writing a resume and cover letter to preparing for job interviews. There was also networking events where I met with potential employers and other job seekers. The Employability Skills for Youth program was extremely helpful as I was able to gain paid training while building my resume. And the program's lead facilitator, Julian George, was always available to answer any questions I had. My favorite program that I took part in was the Empower Her program, as it provided a platform for connection and interaction among a group of diverse women, creating a sense of community. Upon entering the program, I immediately felt welcomed by Therese Giedelen, the program's coordinator, and Samantha Martinez, the youth worker at the time. They both took the time to really get to know each participant in order to help us achieve our goals, both professional and personal. What I really enjoyed about this program was that how customizable it was. I communicated to the program leads that I was interested in building my career in HR, and upon communicating this to them, they facilitated an entire workshop around this where professionals in the industry came in, and I was given the opportunity to ask them questions to help guide me further along my career path. Another thing that I liked about this program was that I was able to volunteer through civic engagement and civic action opportunities. I liked the program so much that I even stayed on as a mentor. Achēv had a significant impact on me. They helped me navigate the job market, hone my existing skills, as well as connect me to mentors that assisted me in my job search. Thanks to their support, I was able to land a job within a few months of entering Canada, and I now work in human resources at Canada Incorporated, a biotechnology company, which I really enjoy. I would definitely recommend Achēv to other youths or job seekers because Achēv has been instrumental in helping me navigate the job market as well as find meaningful employment. They provided me with the support and resources that I needed in order to overcome the challenges I face. Their workshops also helped me to better understand Canadian culture and adapt more easily to my new environment.